Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, this vlog is 1 month ago, which was there in my draft and I didn't get time to edit it. So finally I have edited it and the vlog is out. So here we had went to Dubai Mall just to spend a weekend, and Adya wanted to see the movie which we wanted to take him from a long time, but uh, we didn't get time. So we had decided to finally go and show him this movie. You'll get to know which movie we have took him for, because we thought that if we don't go now, the movie will go from the theaters. So finally we took some time out and took him. So it was a fun day that we had went for a movie and for gaming zone. So it was totally fun time for Adya. It was Adya's day. Yeah, and this is Dubai Mall. So we entered from Chinatown that day, and this is how it looked when you enter from the Chinatown side of Dubai Mall. So as you can see, yeah. So we were late, so we went and we had some lunch there first, and then we decided to go and check the tickets and all, and then go for a movie. So by that time, while going to the theater side, I saw this bakery, and look at the cakes, guys. They are so cute, and every time I pass from here, I just love to see their cakes. So I just shooted a clip for you guys. So after our lunch, we came here to take our tickets. There's a beautiful screen there from where we have to book our own tickets. So we did that. We took the tickets, and then we waited for the movie to for the movie time. So we waited in this premises only, and Adya was posing here, having fun. He's always cute, doing some cute things. And meanwhile, our time had come. The movie was going to start, so we rushed for the movie. Some money, I just want some money, yeah. Drop some money, dropping all my money. Drop some money, all this so yummy, yeah. So this is the theater, and the movie was Jurassic World Rebirth. So as you know, kids, they love this kind of things, that dinosaurs and these things. So he was too very excited, as you can see, so excited. So we took him to see this movie, and he was like a bit scared also, because of the voice that was coming. The dinosaur was like roaring, and like it was some in the between. Literally, even we felt that that a heart pumped in between. It was so loud. So but it was fun, a good experience. Sometimes it's good to go and watch this kind of movies also with kids, because they do like this kind of things only, and we also enjoyed it. The movie was too good, and it made us remember of our childhood, and we also used to watch this kind of movies and get so amazed and so surprised looking at the big dinosaurs, and it was really wonderful watching it with Adya. So after the movie, we decided to go to the gaming zone. So this was a miniature view of Dubai. As you can see, like the cars and the helicopters are moving there. So it's a really beautiful thing that they have made on the top ceiling of the gaming zone. So it was really beautiful watching that, because as you can, if you stop and see, the things literally are moving in the miniature model, and it is literally on the ceiling there. So it was really fun watching it. And then after that, we went inside the gaming zone. So all this was there inside. Adya enjoyed like anything. He sat on each and everything that was possible and which was of his age. He did everything there. So even we wanted to do, but as you can see, they were very just this was all just for kids, so we couldn't do anything much for us. But we also did one or two activities here, but Adya was having a blast sitting here and there and just enjoying. That was the end of the day, and after that we went home. So I hope you liked the vlog. If you like it, like, share and subscribe to my channel.